In the heart of Orkney's Northern Isles, a wild and windswept welcome awaits. We've found a place with stories in its stone, and we're making it our home. We're chasing a dream from Indonesia to Orkney. Join us for wild island adventures and the soulful rhythm of life from sky, sea, and stone.
We're Orkney bound, wheels in flight, racing down the highway with pure delight. Family cheers and the road astounds. On this wild ride we're Orkney bound. Past Thurso the northern winds whip our hair. Rugged lands and open vistas are suddenly there. The chill of wild Scotland, raw and brave, pushes us onward with each twist of the wave. We're Orkney bound, wheels in flight, racing down the highway with pure delight. Family cheers and the road astounds. On this wild ride
Still tired from the journey, I wandered into the village pub, where locals gathered for a spontaneous Highland jam. Okay, so we've had one night in Thurso. Now we're up super early to catch the ferry over to the Orkney Islands. In Kirkwall, we picked up our new house keys from the solicitors and did some essential shopping for our new home. Unfortunately, our flight delay in Doha meant we missed getting our car on the ferry. Instead of spending the night in Kirkwall, we lugged a couple of nights' worth of clothes and our new bedding by hand onto the next boat. At last, we were truly on our way to our new home.